Hey guys, what's up? This is Shivani from eGadgets for you, and in this video I will do the unboxing of the Earpods Lightning Connector from Apple. As you know that I am equipped with the iPhone 12, but by now you know that iPhone does not come with anything else except for this particular phone. A topic of discussion for another day. So let's just unbox in this particular video and get to it at once. So yes guys, this is my iPhone 12 and it's secured with a back cover and a screen protector, the videos for which you will find in the description as well. And in this video we will go ahead and unbox and check the Earpods Lightning Connector that I had to purchase with extra money from Apple to work with my iPhone 12. Anyways, for this particular unboxing I have to go ahead and just peel off the sticker from here, and now you can easily pull this off out of the box. Okay, one thing for sure you can tell with Apple is that the packaging, it's superb as always. Before digging deep into this particular earpiece, let us just go ahead and see the other stuff that comes along in the box. Again, a pull tab just like that. Packaging is excellent for Apple, for any products whatsoever. Anyway, so over here you will find the documentations. Let me just go ahead and open this particular thing, and yes, it comes out like that. You see the entire book of documentations for our earbud only. So it gives you the idea about the brand value of Apple as well, because it gets to let you know a lot of stuffs. Keeping aside that particular thing, you get a 1 year limited warranty summary. For that also, to avail the warranty, a lot of textbook is applicable over here. Now yes, of course, along with English there are other languages also. So yes, that does take up some space, and along with that it's disposable information for India, blah 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 blah. Okay, now let us just go ahead and open this tab. Okay, that is a great feeling. That was real packaging. Oh, that was wonderful. Anyways, keeping it aside, this is the Lightning connector that you will get. And yes, by now you know that yes, Apple only works with Lightning connector for charging as well as for this earpiece as well. You can again just go ahead and purchase the AirPods and stuff like that, but those are damn costly, man. It does not make any sense spending money on an iPhone, spending money on a charger, spending money on a earpod, on this Lightning connector earpods, and again purchasing that damn expensive AirPods. Anyways, so yes, it's connected. Now what I'll do is that I'll just go ahead and I'll show you the quality of this particular earpieces. As you can see, it's marked left and right over here. Sorry for that. Yes, it's marked right and left, so it's easier for you to understand also. And along with that, you get this dedicated volume up and down button, and along with that also you find the microphone inbuilt over here. Regarding the quality of the cable, yes, it does looks good, but again at the end of the day it's white, so yeah, with extensive usages it will tend to get dirty, and of course end of the day you have to take care of this particular thing, because we have seen instances in the past also that yes, this particular thing has a tendency to like cut the cable or cut this particular wire from this particular point, so you have to take care of that. Anyways, regarding the quality, let me just go ahead and put the AirPods in my ear. I cannot show you that yes, I have actually put the AirPods in my ear, so I'll go ahead and play some NCS music right now. Okay, I am in some NCS music over here. Let me just go ahead. That is damn loud, man, damn loud. The voice is very clear, that I can tell you for sure. I am actually not able to hear what I'm saying, so let me just lower the volume for now. Yes, what I'm hearing in my ears is that is actually very loud. The voice is clear also, so yes, it does look good that way. Okay, apart from that, if again once again go up Okay, the bass actually over here, it's deep but not that deep enough. But yeah, end of the day, I'm not that much critical of a person with a earpod, with a earphone, so it will get your job done. So in that way, it's a nice thing. I guess this will be it for unboxing and the impressions of these Lightning Connector Earpods from Apple that you have to buy separately along with your iPhone 12 purchase. So yes, that will be it, guys. This is it for the Lightning Connector Earpods. Hope so this video was helpful for you. If you have liked this video, consider liking and sharing with your friends and families. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications bell, because very soon a lot of tech updates are coming to this particular channel. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Bye for now.